Pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode, how to connect to a device, how to connect the two devices, and how to factory reset these. So first off, I'm going to connect to my Samsung Galaxy S25, and then we'll connect to my iPhone 16e. So my Galaxy S25 is unlocked. Now grab your earbuds, make sure the buds are in a case, and open it up. If it's not currently paired to a different device near you, you should get this pop-up here, okay? That's if you have the Samsung wearable app. This is a Samsung phone, so I already installed the Samsung wearable app, but you can download the Samsung wearable app on a different Android phone, like a Google Pixel and so on, okay? The only thing is you can't download that app on an iPhone, at least not as of today. Anyway, so we can connect this way, okay? So we can just tap on connect. If you don't have the wearable app, then you can just simply just go to settings, Bluetooth, and then wait for it to show up, okay? Anyway, we're going to connect this way first, and then we'll connect the other way using the iPhone because we don't have a Samsung wearable app, okay? And then once you connect here, I mean, you got to agree to a couple things here. I'll uncheck that. And then we're going to go ahead and... Okay. So now we're connected, okay? Even if I go to my Bluetooth settings here, and I go to, see the Bluetooth right there is the Galaxy Buds 3. So if I tap on my Bluetooth settings, you can see I'm connected to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, okay? Now, let's do this. So we're currently paired to this phone now, all right? Now, what happens if I want to go ahead and connect to a different phone, like an iPhone? So now let's connect to this iPhone here, okay? So... don't forget, I'm still paired to this phone here, okay? So my iPhone here, I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth, okay? And see the spinny thing down here under devices? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, okay? So let's put this in pairing mode, okay? Remember for the Samsung phone, the only thing we did was open the lid up, wait a little bit, and it's gonna show up here, okay? For me, if I wasn't paired to no devices, then it would show up here under devices, okay? But it's not showing up because I'm paired to a different device. So we can manually put this in pairing mode. If you look down here, you have a button right here. So the buds are in a case, the lid's open, and you have a button here. I'm gonna press and hold that button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, and just wait for the light here. It starts flashing like 3 different colors, holding, okay? Now let go. Blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Now we manually put it in pairing mode. So this is still spinning here. It's still searching for devices in pairing mode. Oh, there it is right there. If this stops, then you just have to turn Bluetooth off and turn it back on. Basically just rescan the Bluetooth. Okay, anyway, found it. So let me tap on that right there. Give it one moment. Okay, now we're connected, okay? So now if I go to listen to audio or YouTube or whatnot, right now, the audio is going to come out from this phone, okay? Now, don't forget, we were also paired to the Android phone, the Samsung Galaxy S25 here. So we're currently connected to both phones here, okay? Now, if I wanted to go back to the Android phone and listen, like watch YouTube or whatnot for the audio to come out of these earbuds, I would have to just go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and it was already paired. Remember, paired devices right there, Buds 3 Pro. If I want to connect it, just tap it, and just let it connect. And now if I do phone calls or if I listen to YouTube on this phone, the audio will come out of here. If I go back to the iPhone, I have to go back to settings and click on connect, and then I can use them there. So that's how you connect two devices. Now let's say you want to do a factory reset, okay? Maybe you have issues, one side's not working, one side's volume is lower, maybe they keep disconnecting, it's out of sync or whatnot. To do a factory reset, we have to use the Samsung Galaxy wearable app. So really quickly, I'm going to show you. So, okay, so I had to be connected. So I already connected this phone here. So let me go to my Samsung wearable app. Samsung, I think it's in this folder here. Oh, there it is, wearable. Okay, and I'm connected to it. If it wasn't connected right now, this would all be grayed out. So I'm going to go down to earbud settings. I'm going to tap on that. And then down here it says reset. Let me tap on reset right there. All your earbud settings will be reset to their defaults, okay? So I'm going to tap on reset, give it one moment. And then factory reset is done. It's back in pairing mode, and I can connect back to this phone. Okay. Now the thing is, in regards to the Samsung wearable app, like if you want to factory reset it, but all you have is an iPhone, then you have to go get an Android phone, download the Samsung wearable app, connect it, factory reset. Or what you can do is you can go to a Windows computer, PC, or a laptop, and you can download it on there and do the reset. You just can't do it on the iPhones or like iOS devices as if right now. Any questions, issues? comment below.